Hey, what's up, everybody? Captain Mike York here. Just heard Whitney Houston passed away. A great loss to the universe and to our great country. Many have a drink in her honor, because Bobby don't get mad. No disrespect. Part of the drinking community on YouTube. Y'all gotta come check us out. We're good, but Whitney Houston. So sad. May you rest in peace, Whitney. Didn't only want to say a whole bunch, just wanted to give my condolences to her and her family. Have a shot in her honor. Son of a bitch! Why does always bad things happen to such great people? Captain Drink Captain. And if you're still watching, don't want to keep you up. Just give your condolences to her family and shout out to Cowboy Like Me, Allenberg 88, Better Poet Man Man, what's up? OD, everybody knows who they are. Rugby, all the boys on the drinking community, come check us out. Meanwhile, Whitney, one of the sexiest black women on earth. One of the Halle Berry's up there. Woo. But it's all about Whitney. So. Great songs, Bodyguard, movies, you know how it is. You know how we do. Ah, damn. Hats off to you, lady.